this place Lut's wife, when she looked back in the Dead Sea, in the Sodom and Gomorrah, she becomes stone. At the top of this mountain we see a stone in the shape of a woman. It's Lut's wife whom God turned into the stone.
There is also a church.
It's night in the Dead Sea and I'm in the circus. Stay without voice! Oh my god, this is the biggest swing I ever been in! I feel my stomach! And from the biggest swing in the world we are going to the another swings. Woohoo! I feel like I will hit someone with my legs. Woohoo! I reached to the point where I don't see anything. We stopped, but my water between my brain and my scalp is still turning. I came yesterday in the night from the Jordan River in the Dead Sea. I put my tent near the police station where they can see that I'm secure and all my stuff are secure. And I'm going to swim in the Dead Sea. So this is the Dead Sea. I'm in Jordanian side and another side is Palestinian / Israeli. There. It's very salty. That when you come inside of the water, you just float. You can lay down and you will not fall down. It's very salty again, so if you have some wound, it will burn you, and you cannot let water come inside of your eyes, because you will not be able to see for 10 minutes. Also the biggest reserves of natural salt. There is no animal or plant under there because it's very, very, very salty. And this is mentioned in the Bible, in the Old Testament, when God destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah. It was here. This is why this water is very salty and no anything live inside. When God destroyed, from then no animal, no plant, no anything live inside. Here is Israel / Palestine. I was already in that side. So as we see, there is a lot of salt here and in the water. People are floating, they don't fall down. Some places in the Dead Sea also have mud that you put on your face and your body. You massage it and your body becomes very, very soft, and it's like healing for your skin. It's very healthy. bye bye with the Dead Sea. I'm going to Wadi Mujab. There. Beautiful Dead Sea. From one side trees and from another side like desert. And here rocks who have the layers like pancakes. And me. So basically we reached the end of the Dead Sea. This little salt island we see. It's cute. Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, comment me down below. Have you been to Dead Sea? Have you tried to float there? This would be my next video, and this would be the video that YouTube recommends for you to watch. So stay tuned and see you. Bye!